This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. This beautiful pool home has great curb appeal and is a minute away from a local boat ramp. Desirable floor plan, with spacious rooms. The kitchen is open with lots of cabinet space and some upgraded appliances. The covered patio is a must-see with 2 patio spaces, high ceilings and a lot of room for outdoor entertainment. Fantastic fenced-in backyard with large screened and heated pool and new pool heater. Roof 2018, AC 2023 to 2024 and hot water heater 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.